Today we are doing an unboxing and review of a brand new live fire portable grill. We'll be introducing you to the ChaIsson Smoke Hauler grill. We'll show you how to put it together, give you all the specs and how they compare to other similar grills, and even show you some of its accessories. We'll finish it off by firing it up, putting a good season on it, grilling some ribeyes, and tell you why I believe this is the best portable live fire grill for under $100 out on the market today. Right here on Al Lunacy Queuing. What's up, my good people? My name is Al Lunacy and this is Al Lunacy Queuing. You know, there are a number of portable live fire grills out on the market today. Today we're looking at one in particular. It is the ChaIsson Smoke Hauler grill. We're gonna do a quick unboxing, show you the features, tell you the specs, and tell you why we believe dollar per dollar it is the best live fire portable grill out on the market today. The ChaIsson Smoke Hauler grill is a flat pack grill, meaning that it's a portable collapsible grill that folds down into a completely flat profile. You'll see a number of these type of grills advertised on TikTok and Facebook. However, many of these grills that are advertised for under $100 are made of thin metal and are not made for the long haul. Of the many that I researched, two grills stood out that seemed to be made of heavy duty material that can last you for years. These were the Hauler grill and the slot grill. So let's look at the specs of both and compare them. Starting with the slot grill that has a total grill surface of 220 square inches, made of 10 gauge carbon steel, total weight 27.6 pounds with a price of $149.97 plus shipping and handling. They also do make a smaller, thinner version for $69.97 plus shipping and handling. Then there's the Hauler grill with a total grill surface of 252 square inches, made of 10 gauge carbon steel, total weight 25 pounds with a price of $99.95 shipping and handling included. Key differences: the Hauler grill has a larger cooking surface, comes with 3 grill grates that curve over the edge, giving it a more polished look, is $50 cheaper, and even includes free shipping and handling. While the slot grill comes with 2 grate removers instead of 1 and has 2 grill grates that lay flat on top. So this is the grill. It came in this box, pretty quick shipping. Let's unbox it and I'll show you what comes in the box. Quick thank you note from ChaIsson Smoke and a little disclaimer and guidelines for the grill. And this is the griddle. This is an option. I believe it's an extra $65 if you decide to opt out for this. We'll talk about that in just a bit. I'm gonna try to get you a closer look at the gauge of this steel, but with the first look, you can tell quality. Now here's one of the grill grates, and as you can see the ChaIsson Smoke logo in the center. And here's a shot of that 10 gauge steel. Now to put this together, it's quite easy. Everything kind of just slides into these slots it has. It just takes a few minutes. As mentioned earlier, look at the way the grill grates curve over the top of the grill. Nice polished look. And here's that grill grate remover that's also a bottle opener. And once again, the logos on top of the grill grates make it a very nice looking grill. Now there's a laser cut logo on each side of the grill that acts as an air vent to keep your fire going. And if we remove one of the grill grates, you can see how the ash kind of funnels into these openings below. So one thing I like about this grill is that it's 3 parts to its grill grates. And what you'll see on other grills on the market, you'll see just 1 piece itself, or you'll see just maybe 2 pieces. And the reason why I like the 3 pieces is, let's just say if you want to feed the fire again and it's just 1 piece, it's hard to do. If it's 2 pieces, then you take half that grill just to feed the fire. And this one, it's just 1/3 the grill. You take it out and you can feed your fire or whatnot, easily put it back to gain back that grill space. Really well thought out. I love the way it just kind of slides in, stays snug on there. Another cool feature is the griddle option. So let's just say that I'm gonna set this up to the side here. I'm gonna move these. There is a wing nut here, and you just tighten that and it stays snug on the grill. Really cool feature is this drain pipe, or this drain, I don't know what to call it, a rut or whatnot. You can put a little foil tray and it'll catch your grease. It's kind of angled down, very well thought out, and this is also I think 10 gauge steel. Now ChaIsson Smoke recommends to season this grill just like a cast iron pan, so we're going to spray it down with some high temp oil and put it in my pellet grill at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for an hour. We'll do this twice, then we'll season it once more with a live fire cook. Now look at the patina type color on the twice seasoned grill. Now you'll notice some foil underneath the grill. This will help with the ash cleanup as we get ready to fire it up and do our first cook on the grill. Today we'll be using about 1.5 pounds of charcoal briquettes in our charcoal chimney, and we're going to top it off with some Bear Mountain Barbecue hickory wood chunks. This will give a savory, slightly sweet, smoky taste to fatty, robust steak cuts like ribeye. So our first cook on the grill was ribeye tacos topped with melted Oaxaca cheese and pico de gallo. By the way, check out my pico de gallo video linked on the top if you want to learn how to make this killer pico de gallo. These were some delicious, fantastic tasting tacos. The grill performed excellently and was a blast to use. I even made some chicken wings afterwards and enjoyed a few drinks on this beautiful afternoon. And so, my good people, this is a quick review and first cook on the grill. I can see myself cooking on this grill more often because it uses very little charcoal and is easy to set up. Let me know what you guys think about the grill in the comments. ChaIsson Smoke does have different packages available and they all include shipping and handling. I'll leave the link to their website below. Appreciate you hanging with me on this one. If you'd like to see reviews on new grills hitting the market, make sure to like and subscribe because we have a lot more reviews coming soon. Hope you all are doing well and hope to see you very soon.